Good day to all prospective employers in Hong Kong. My name is Rishal Damiano Bayaca. I am 36 years old. I am 149 centimeters and 60 kilograms. My father's name is Ricarte Bayaca and my mother's name is Maria Teresa Bayaca. I am high school graduate and I am a Roman Catholic. I work as domestic helper in Saudi Arabia in 1 year and 4 months. I serve 4 members in the family, 2 adult, 1 year old boy, and newborn baby. I also work as domestic helper in Oman in 2 years. I serve 6 members in the family, 2 adult, 6 years old boy, and 7 years old triplets boy. My duties and responsibilities are taking care of the baby, taking care of the children, cooking foods, washing clothes, cleaning the house, marketing, gardening, car washing, and taking care of pets. I can also cook simple Chinese food like steamed fish, chicken, pork, fried noodles, rice, and soup. I can take care also of children. I can take care them by assisting them in taking their bath, change their clothes, give them nutritious foods, vitamins, tutoring, and give them full and attention. To my future employer in Hong Kong, please choose me as your domestic helper because I am hardworking, loyal, kind, and patient. And I promise to do my best and responsibilities to do my duties. And I promise also to finish my contract and follow your rules and regulations. Thank you and looking forward to work with you as soon as possible. God bless.